Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, Africa's premier international cup competition, the Africa Cup of Nations is set to begin from tomorrow, as the continent's best teams and players go head-to-head to see who will come out on top. The 33rd edition of Africa's grandest football competition will be held across 5 cities in Cameroon. The tournament was initially supposed to be played between June and July 2021, but owing to climate conditions and the COVID-19 pandemic, organizers agreed to postpone it to a window between January and February 2022. For the second successive tournament, the Nations Cup will have 24 participants. That means 6 groups of 4, with the top 2 qualifying for the last 16, alongside the 4 best-ranked third-placed sides. Here is the full list of all the groups. Group A includes Burkina Faso, Ethiopia, Cape Verde Islands, and Cameroon. Group B includes Guinea, Malawi, Senegal and Zimbabwe. Group C includes Comoros Islands, Gabon, Ghana and Morocco. Group D includes Egypt, Guinea-Bissau, Nigeria and Sudan. Group E includes Algeria, Ivory Coast, Equatorial Guinea and Sierra Leone. Group F includes Gambia, Mali, Mauritania and Tunisia. The ball being used in the tournament is Umbro Togo, named after a multicolored and finely embroidered outfit initially designed for royalty, but now popular throughout Cameroon. So, here are all important dates you need to know of the tournament. Group stage begins with Cameroon vs Burkina Faso on January 9th, and the final group stage game will be played on the 20th of January. Round of 16 will be played between 23 to the 26th of January. After round of 16, quarter-finals will be played on 29 and the 30th of January. Then the 4 teams will play the semi-final on 2nd and the 3rd of February. Third place play-off and final will be played on the 6th of February at the Olembe Stadium, Yaoundé. Games will be held at 1 p.m., 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. in Greenwich Mean Time during the group stages, with the 2 latter kick-off times being used in the knockout stages from Sunday the 23rd of January. The video assistant referee system made its debut at the last Africa Cup of Nations in Egypt in 2019, but only starting from the quarterfinals. This will be the first time the tournament has VAR and the ability to review decisions for every game, part of an effort by African football president Patrice Motsepe to make the technology more widespread on the continent. So, who are the tournament favorites this time? Well, it is hard to look past holders Algeria, who are on a 34-match unbeaten run and led by Manchester City winger Riyad Mahrez. Sadio Mane's Senegal, Africa's top-ranked side for the past 3 years, were runners-up in 2019 and among the main challengers, while record 7-time champions Egypt has arguably the best player in the world right now in Mohamed Salah, who has shined for Liverpool this season. But, how and where we can watch the African Cup of Nations 2021 live? Well, the African Cup of Nations 2021 will be telecast live in Sky Sports channels worldwide, while for India Sony Network will provide the live telecast. Live streaming of the African Cup of Nations 2021 will be available on the Sony Live app and website in India. Friends, tell us in the comment section your favorite team to win the tournament this time. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.